I like that I don't have a boss watching me all the time. I've been a locksmith for 4 years and a few months. I do lockout jobs mostly. I love the app. I like that I get the jobs right away. I can set my schedule. I like that everything is there. All the customer information, everything. I can just tell the customer to just follow the instructions. We had to call him to run a credit card for a customer, and he would do it with his computer. But then Jobox came along and we could just run it ourselves. I did a Jeep the other day. It was an older Jeep. It was like that, but like maybe 2000, 90 something. So everything was metal. So it was really hard to get in there, but we got in. Took an hour. I like helping people. And I do like the work. The freedom. That's what I like about it.